IBKR stock, is this the right time to buy? I'm going to answer all this in this very short 1-minute video. I've invested tens of thousands of dollars in courses and mentors over the last 5 years, and I've seen what's making me money, what's making me good money. When I say this, I mean 5 to 10K per month, and have all the proof with 40,000 videos to back up my claims. Here's the after, here's the before. Video was made 11 days ago, 22nd of April. All I look to do is obviously take things up as long as there's like some sort of shift and a double break. And I mean, guess what happened? This is the before. So this is the after. All that actually happened is exactly that. So this is like the 30-minute chart. Let's go 30-minute chart here. Right, you get the point. So I mean, looking at this, I'm just looking to double down when we open up on next week. So I would like to see some little confirmations, and only then if I see some sort of double break, I'm going to look to take things up. Other than this, if you want to learn how I'm making 5 to 10K a month consistently without indicators, click the first link in the description and get my free emails.